One of the other areas that we have additional training and expertise is what's known in the public as traditional Chinese medicine. Traditional Chinese medicine has been around for around 10,000 years, and it's an area that I've been interested in for a long time and have had in my practice when I was in Colorado, for example. Alcohol, and other drugs can also be treated with acupuncture and Chinese medicine. What the Chinese have found is that they look at the body system as like the subject of physics, energy systems, where, in Western medicine we kind of look at the body or whatever as a biochemical mix of things. And so the Chinese basically look at various ways of balancing energy in the body, and it's much safer than a lot of medications that we use, and balances things out gradually over time. We have an acupuncturist here on staff that treats people on a weekly basis, and they can treat it more often if they want. We have Chinese herbs here that are administered by myself and also our naturopath here that can help balance things out. And so Chinese medicine is one form of medicine that it's different than Western medicine in that Western medicine is basically designed to fix something for a crisis. Chinese medicine is more for prevention and also to treat chronic problems safely.